Welcome back, and I am back with more daily work from home leads for you. Of course, as always, in today's video, we have a mixed bag. I think I have 5 different jobs to share, but one of them is literally hiring people to research information and paying anywhere from $8,000 a month up to $29,000 a month. And this requires no college degree. Now, normally, jobs that are paying that much are looking for people who have a college degrees or specialized skill, but this one specifically says that they are looking for people that have non-traditional backgrounds, like people trying to re-enter the workforce or people who have been self-taught. Maybe you have learned some skills from like YouTube, Google Books, and you hold no actual education certification or degree. They are looking for you. First up, we have Imagine 360. Now, Imagine 360 has 126 reviews from people who have either worked from them in the past or currently work for them. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rate of 3.1 out of 5 star. They're looking for a member services intake specialist. So this one is going to be more like a customer service type job. You are going to have to be on the phone. This is remote for the US. This one pays anywhere from $38,000 to $42,000 yearly, depending on things like your location and experience. Imagine 360 is looking for somebody to be very first point of contact for members who need assistance with their initial file setup or have inquiries that require assistance about their balance bill submissions. So you are going to assist these members with initially setting up their balance bills and respond to any questions related to those balance bills in the management process of those bills. You are going to initiate member balance bill account information into the Imagine 360 online or computer database, making sure that you focus on quality management and turnaround times. You're going to communicate with the audit team, making sure all documentation related to the member's balance bill is complete, accurate, and in the system. And you'll just track the status and resolution of those bills setup inquiries in any issues related to those bills. Now, this is going to be in the healthcare realm, so you are going to have to follow the guidelines and regulations. Now, while a lot of places do prefer a bachelor degree, this one is not required, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. If you have got experience in the healthcare environment, this is a plus, but they are really looking for somebody who can use a computer, multiple software systems, specifically like those Microsoft Office, Outlook for emails, like things that somebody who can multitask, who has great communication skills both via email and telephone, and can be a team player. Next up, we have GRD Financial. Hiring now, GRD Financial only has 29 reviews, so I always urge you to do your own research in any of the companies before giving them your personal information out of those 29 reviews. Though they have a 3.5 out of 5 star rating, they are looking for a remote payment processing associate. This is going to require a lot of data entry. Your main responsibility is going to be that data entry of miscellaneous customer information into their computer system, including like client statements, banking documents, and settlement offers. So you are really going to be verifying the data on the payments and these documents that come in with the payment processing. The documents according to the customer detail instructions and document you review in the system. You really need to understand the workflow deadline and the requirement for each individual task. So you'll have to be multitasking, meeting different deadlines and requirements with different documents that come in. So you're just going to be a team player working with your teammates, navigating these computer systems to assist the customer, locate that customer data or electronic information, and make sure all of their information is together and entered into the system. Now, this only requires 6 months of data entry experience and no college degrees needed. You do need to be able to think on your feet, come up with solutions quickly, have great attention to detail, and great problem solving skills. because they don't really have a lot of requirements. Pays a little bit on the lower end. It is $15 an hour. Next up, we have CVS Health. They have all of the retail pharmacies and store across the US, so they probably really need no introduction. One thing I do want to say about CVS though is they hire for all kind of different work from home jobs. They are like one of the companies I always see jobs from literally on a weekly basis. So if you are looking for something in the healthcare or pharmacy space, I would always check CVS website. Regardless, they have 43,000 reviews and an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars, and they currently have an opening for medical claims analyst. This is going to be remote, but the main responsibility of this job is post-service claim review, determining if the specific service provided can be reimbursed to the actual providers. So you are going to review these providers' claims and determine if they meet the review requirements. You are going to have a list of requirements and you are checking this claim to make sure it meets all the requirements. You are going to follow all workflow templates and legal and compliance requirement to get a complete picture of what is requiring. Review for the CCR clinic and medical directors. You will organize and prioritize this work to meet claim turnaround times, determining coverage, verifying eligibility, benefits, identifying any discrepancies, and just applying all medical claim management policies and procedures to the claim you are looking at. So what this really means is that maybe the patient doesn't have coverage for the service that was provided, and so the provider can't get reimbursed by the insurance company for it. You're going to determine what kind of insurance coverage they actually have, if they are eligible, their benefits with their insurance company. So this may require you to work with insurance companies from time to time, but it is going to require you to multitask, working in multiple computer systems. Now they are requiring 2 years or more of some kind of healthcare experience. Somebody who can again multitask, handling those multiple assignments at the same time. You have got to know claims processing rules and regulations. They prefer somebody who has claim processing customer service experience. No college degree is needed though, just a high school diploma. And of course, pay is going to be dependent on things like your location and experience. Now, if you're looking to make up to $9,500 a month, Pinterest is hiring. I don't think Pinterest needs any introduction either. It is a large social media platform that they have 920 reviews on Glassdoor and overall employee satisfaction rating of 4 out of 5 star. So it really seems to be a great place to work. According to the people who have reviewed, they are looking for a product researcher. This is remote for the US. Now it specifically says this Pinterest apprentice program is an opportunity for candidates that come from those non-traditional backgrounds that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Now they are looking for people who face barriers to the entry in the tech industry, and they are looking for people who don't have standard college degrees. Now the start date for this is a little bit out. It's going to be September 30th, 2024. But they are really looking for somebody to work alongside their product researcher and key partners on design, product management, and engineering teams on high impact projects. You are going to use qualitative research method. So you are going to use all different kind of research methods such as usability evaluation, individual interviews, and with new innovative ways of doing things. And first you need to understand what the user of Pinterest really needs Pinterest to be and do for them. So you are going to collaborate with mentors to help you navigate the challenges of being a product researcher and just professionally continuing to grow. Now, as far as what they are looking for, again, candidates from those non-traditional backgrounds. It says if you have ever done like research boot camps, or if you're looking to re-enter the tech workforce, or candidates who are self-taught. This really caught my eye. Those who don't hold a degree or related professional experience, but you have skills and knowledge because you have watched a lot of YouTube, done a lot of Googling, Google books, a lot of books, those self-taught people, they are really looking for you. You don't see this come up with much high pay. So I really thought I wanted to share this. Other than that, they just want some who is self-motivated and eager, somebody who has 1 year experience working with some kind of team in a team environment, and you can clearly communicate in a work environment. Alright, if you have made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me again. Always feel free to leave anything you are looking for down in the comments below. But if you enjoyed anything that I share, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, of course, share with your family and friends, and I'll back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.